They say it's nothing new. Just pick one. Any door will do. It opens, it shuts, it does what you need. But does it? Will it? Will it work when you need it most? Or compromise what matters? And who? Will it adapt to new uses and new situations? Will it offer more than 50 years of experience, quality, and service behind it? A promise never to compromise on materials and performance. Because we will. At ASSA ABLOY, we're constantly challenging the accepted, the compromise. We're progressing methods and technology, redefining performance and durability, and upholding a higher standard. We know that for our customers, their door is their connection, their lifeline, and that's something we can never compromise. ASSA ABLOY automatic sliding doors. Never compromise.